Bismillah Rahman Rahim. Dear students, today we are going to start a new chapter, chapter number 3. And the name of this chapter is Food and Health. But before starting this new chapter, I need your response to tell me what we have studied before in those two chapters and what were the names of those two chapters. Can anybody tell me? Yes. The first one chapter was understanding ourselves. What we are, हमारी बॉडी क्या है, हमारी बॉडी के ऑर्गन्स क्या हैं, हमारी ऑर्गन्स क्या फंक्शंस करती हैं और क्या क्या बीमारियां हमें हो सकती हैं. वी स्टडीड अबाउट दैट. उसके बाद वी स्टडीड इन द सेकंड चैप्टर कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स एंड नीड्स ऑफ लिविंग थिंग्स. लिविंग थिंग्स की क्या कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स हैं, what we do need. What do we need when we want to live, we want to grow, we want to reproduce. And out of those needs, the new chapter is food and health. Yes, food is our need. To be healthy is our need. What we are going to study today, what we are going to learn in this chapter, just have a glance on the SLOs of this chapter. After studying this unit, the students will be able to identify the sources of common food, explain the properties of major food groups, classify different foods into their basic groups, Foods are different and their groups are different. Interpret a food pyramid and relative importance of various food groups. Food groups में से किसकी ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंस है, कौन से फूड ग्रुप को हमने ज्यादा खाना है, कौन से अगर हम कम मिकदार में भी खा लें तब भी हम जिंदा रह सकते हैं. Differentiate between balanced diet and unbalanced diet. This is very important topic, my dear students, and we have to learn it, and not only for the sake of this class, for the sake of the coming examination, but we need to learn it for our lives. We need to learn it to protect the health of our family members, and we will be discussing with our mums, with your fathers, with your siblings, and with our friends and relatives as well. The next SLO is suggest a balanced meal from the given list of foods and give reasons to explain why each food was chosen. Which food we select, why do we choose which food on a particular time. Explain the effect of unbalanced diet on health. Explain hygiene and its basic principles. Hygiene is very important, my dear students. We are Muslims and we believe in hygienic environment. So, achieving these SLOs, we will study in this chapter, inshallah, different topics, and all these SLOs are covered in those topics. I'm going to show you like a sketchy form of that. This is going to be the detail and the list of the topic we will study in this chapter. We will study about the detail of grains. We eat different grains in our daily life, you know that. Wheat, rice, corns, वगैरह वगैरह. The second one is vegetables. Yeah, we eat different vegetables. Sometimes we are going to eat these vegetables in a cooked form, and sometimes we are eating it in a raw form. And number 3, dairy products. Yes, dairy products भी हम खाते हैं. Fruits. We like it. Do you? Yes, everybody is liking. Meat. We eat meat in our dinners, in our lunch, and in different ways. Bakery products. You like cake, pastry, biscuits, blah blah blah. And water is going to be the food of prime importance. My dear students, let's have a start from the sources of food, and the first one in this category is grain. But before that, just have a bird eye view on the text. Food helps us in getting energy. Many food items share similar nutritional properties. One type of food may be rich in one type of nutrients, whereas the other type of food may be rich in the other type of nutrients. The most common types of foods are given below. Yeah, wonderful. हम डिफरेंट खुराक खाते हैं. एक किस्म की खुराक तो हमें एक न्यूट्रिएंट देगा. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, अगर हम सिर्फ ग्रेन्स खाएंगे तो उससे तो हमारे कार्बोहाइड्रेट की रिक्वायरमेंट पूरी हो जाएगी. अगर हम मीट नहीं खाएंगे तो प्रोटीन कहां जाएगा? और अगर हम फ्रूट्स वेजिटेबल्स नहीं खाएंगे तो हमारी बॉडी में विटामिन्स कहां से आएंगी? So it means that we need like some of the items from all the groups. In the first one is grains. What are grains? As I mentioned earlier, my dear students, grains are the food stuff we eat like wheat, barley, corn, maize, what you call it. It is the largest group. It is the largest food group. It includes oats, barley, wheat. These food groups is mainly the source of carbohydrate. So remember, my dear students, two things are there. Grain, and grain contains what? Carbohydrate. सबसे ज़्यादा carbohydrate. Very simple. Don't forget it. याद रखना. And the second one is vegetables. Vegetables is the second largest. Don't forget it. Don't forget it that vegetable is going to be the second largest food group, which includes onion, tomato, chilies, etc. This group is mainly the source of vitamins. Easy. Coming easy. Like if I write here, grains, what? Carbohydrates. And in front of vegetable, what should I write? I should write vitamins. Vitamins. Right? Going towards dairy products. Dairy products, this group includes milk and other related products. These are source of proteins and lipids for everyone. What? Source of proteins and lipids. इसमें हमें दो चीजें मिल रही हैं. इस ग्रुप में हमें दो चीजें मिल रही हैं. इसमें हमें प्रोटीन भी मिल रहा है और हमें लिपिड भी मिल रहा है. So you can say in dairy products, proteins and lipids or fats. Okay. Fruits. Do you like? Okay, do tell me your favorite fruit. Shabash. You like mango, I know. And you like strawberry. And you like pineapple. But I like mango. Okay, coming towards the fruit group, it includes all type of fruits like apples, oranges, berries, etc. This group is mainly the source of vitamins and carbohydrate. Again. यानी fruits क्या हमें दे रहे हैं? Fruits हमें vitamins plus हमें और क्या दे रहे हैं? कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स. जो मीठे होते हैं तो उसमें विटामिन्स भी होते हैं, कार्बोहाइड्रेट भी होते हैं. और उसके बाद द फिफ्थ ग्रुप इज मीट. डू यू लाइक मीट? यस. दिस ग्रुप इंक्लूड्स legumes, eggs and meat, etc. These are sources of protein. यानी मीट क्या देता है हमें प्यारे बच्चों? proteins, which is a vital important nutrient for our bodies. And number 6 is bakery products. Bakery products, you know, all those products we purchase from bakery. You see, bakeries. This group mainly includes sweets, oily foods. This group mainly are the sources of carbohydrate and lipids. So, what you saw, my dear students, once again, I'm going to remove this lecture and then you will tell me. Okay, hurry up. Grains, carbohydrate. Vegetables, vitamins and carbohydrate. Dairy products, proteins and lipids. Fruits, vitamins and carbohydrate. Meat, protein. Bakery product, carbohydrates and lipids. I'm quite optimistic, my dear students, that you have learnt the concept about sources of food and you will remember it. Now, coming towards homework. My dear students, आपने काफ़ी सारे नए नेम्स सुन लिए जो पहले आपने नहीं थे सुने साइंस की किताब में, फर्स्ट टाइम आपके पास इंट्रोड्यूस हो रहे हैं. सो मुझे यकीन है मेरे प्यारे बच्चों, अगर आप आज ही बैठ के इनको सॉल्व कर लोगे तो क्या होगा, आपको कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं होगी. और अगर आपने आज इसको छोड़ा तो फिर क्या होगा, द अदर डे यू विल फॉरगेट इट. वंस यू फॉरगेट इट एंड यू try to remember or you try to learn again, it will take time and it will be difficult for you. So best of luck my dear student. समर पैक उठाएं, उसके साथ रिलेटेड फर्स्ट यूनिट के साथ जो फर्स्ट टॉपिक के साथ चैप्टर नंबर 3 के साथ जो रिलेटेड एक्टिविटीज हैं, आई एम श्योर दैट यू विल बी एबल टू डू इट. सो बेस्ट ऑफ लक माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स. अल्लाह हाफिज.